the channel. Today we are going to be upgrading our lighting in the shop because as you can see it is very dull in here, I would say. But today we are going to be putting in some nice LEDs. 22,500 lumens. Honestly pretty crazy that you can put that out of just a simple light. Honestly the brightness on these is pretty crazy. Probably not going to end up be putting all 10 of them in there because of how bright they are. They really surprised me. Let me show you guys. But yeah, so like I said, the link will be down in the description. These are UFO LED bay lights. Very low profile, very easy to install. They just plug into a 110 outlet. I'm gonna show you the lighting of it in here now, and then we're gonna get to it. All right, so got my tape marks lined out for where we're gonna put a two post. Two post is gonna go right here, and then this is gonna be the designated working area. Still looking for a bigger toolbox as well. We're gonna put probably two of those lights over here to make it really bright over here. Got a new welding table coming. Need some banners. Walls are looking very dead. Got to do something with these walls. It's making it look very plain in here. And here in the next week, we will be mounting a radiator and doing the plumbing on this bad girl. Get her close to the wiring stage because got a bunch of wiring to go through on this guy. We got to plumb the oil cooler, plumb and wire in the power steering pump. We got a lot to do on this. I think it's actually going to go really good. This is going to be a pretty cool car. I'm really stoked to get this going for my buddy. I do want to try and see if I can mess with this and see if I can get the batteries to hold a charge. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm probably going to have to buy new batteries for it. Now that it's inside, let's give it a better look. So now, see, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries. So that's going to be a little expensive to replace. And also, a buddy that I'm building this car for and recommended me those lights, we are going to be sending the motor out for this, and it takes the governor off and ups it, I think, like 15 to 20 horsepower. This thing's going to boot and scoot. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with the seats. Just got to clean it up. Just need to make it, I just want to make it drivable for right now to at least take to and from the track, because this will be nice for driving around the pits if we have to, deliver tires, but help deliver parts, just all that good stuff. Booze cruising in the pits. That's what we got going on. Gonna be changing out these lights. I'm thinking probably one there, and then kind of stagger it. But I might do like 4, 3, I don't know. I got to do something right here because this is going to be the main working area. So I want as much lighting right here, but I also don't want it to be blinding in here either. I do have a couple banners that I need to hang up right here. These are some old ATI banners that I got way back when I worked over on the East Coast for the cutaways and specialized in the Corvettes and LS engine, what got me where I am today. Let's get to putting in the lighting, boys. So as you can already see, it is already 10 times brighter behind me. We ended up using 8 of the lights. There still is 2 more to hang up, but check this out. Huge thank you to JP. Came through, helped me put all this up. Couldn't thank this dude enough. Check all this out. Tell me what you guys think about the shop. Leave comments. Again, the link for these lights will be in my description. Go check those out. I think they're a great deal. I'm satisfied with the lighting in here. Stay tuned for next week's video. We have the oil cooler, as you can see, already mounted on there. Tonight I am plumbing the oil cooler, and we're gonna get the radiator mounted, and it's go time on this car. So stay tuned for the build on this. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.